Hey everyone friends, today I'll show you what to do if the RTX button is grayed out in Minecraft's menu. So for example, I selected vibrant visuals and now I can't select ray tracing anymore. First off, make sure you actually have an RTX series graphics card, right? Because if you don't have an RTX series card, you won't be able to do anything here since you literally can't enable RTX. Now, if that doesn't help and you still can't select ray tracing, here's what to do. Go ahead and load into the world itself. First, you need to enable the option to change graphics settings in-game. Click the play button. Now let's enter the world. And here in the settings, go to settings, then graphics, then video. You should be able to select RTX. Just like I have here. Now, if this option still doesn't work for you and you can't change the settings, then you'll need to download the RTX pack you need. Well, you do this through your browser. Type in RTX for Minecraft Bedrock. Go to CurseForge, then go to Files and download this mod pack. After that, just open it up, but let's wait a few seconds here. So here it is, I'll save it and just open it. To do this, I'll go in and open it right from here. Here, Minecraft for Windows just once. After that, Minecraft will start loading it at the top, and in Settings, Global Resources will be active. Here's Vanilla RTX. You'll need to turn it on and repeat what I just showed you. This setting must be enabled, otherwise it'll show up gray in the game itself. This has been your guide. See you all later.